Household items you can buy to enjoy a cheaper Christmas. Christmas is just around the corner, and while most people wait until December to buy food and household products, that's when prices skyrocket. If you are hoping to enjoy a stress-free Christmas, you should start shopping right now. Here is a list of household products you can buy right now to save money later, as well as tips on how to make the most out of the supermarket deals. Number 1 is buying dry foods now. Dry foods form the backbone of most Kenyan Christmas meals. A good example is rice, which is a must-have during the Christmas season, especially for cooking pilau. Another one is maize and wheat flour, which is the heart of every Kenyan household. You can buy packets of 2 kilograms or 5 kilograms and store them in a cool, dry place. You can also take advantage of buy one get one free offers in supermarkets. Other dry food products that you can consider buying in advance include cooking oil, cereals, and even sugar, which are normally on high demand in Christmas. These products last long and are normally cheaper before November. The second one is meat products. A medium-sized goat can cost around 6,000 shillings in October, and the price can go up to 13,000 Kenyan shillings in December. If you know a trusted farmer, you can pay now and collect it in December because it's cheaper and less stressful. A chicken goes for around 700 Kenyan shillings in October and can go as high as 1,500 Kenyan shillings during Christmas week. If you live in upcountry or have relatives there, you can consider buying several now and having them reared until the festive season. The third one is house essentials. Get your baking supplies as well as spices such as pilau masala, cinnamon, curry powder, or even cloves. You'll thank yourself later when prices rise. And remember, November's Black Friday is not just about electronics. Most supermarkets nowadays include food and other household products. And that's your golden chance to shop. The fourth one is cleaning and self-care products. Apart from food, Christmas also stretches household budgets for cleaning and personal care products. You can consider buying products such as tissue paper, soap, and even detergent as early as now. However, for you to take advantage of this early shopping, here are some techniques that you should know. Number 1, make a shopping list and budget so as to avoid impulse buying. Number 2, compare prices across multiple supermarkets before you make your purchases. Number 3, focus on non-perishables and products that have a longer shelf life. Last but not least, store things properly. Moisture and heat are the biggest threats to dry goods. For this and more financial tips, we have partnered with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant that can help you with tasks like scheduling meetings, making meal plans, booking hotels, and even applying for a loan from Numida. Visit money254.co.ke to apply for a business loan today.